Hello everybody and welcome back to Random Games. This is Truck Loader 3 from Zuhu.com or Buggy, whatever it really came from, but I'm playing it right now at Zuhu.com. Let's play. Load the truck this way up. What? The base is 80 to move. Oh my god, 80 to move. To activate the magnet. Wait, can like tone down the quality for a bit? I'm wondering. Wait, what is this? Wait. Oh, give to me. Go. I have to exactly put it in. There, now we can go. Can I go now? No? Bye bye. Activate the magnet. Wait, it's already there. Freaking go! What's going on? The box is already there. Come on, let's go! Freaking go! Maybe I should press enter. Oh, I can jump! Let's try this slow move. Oh, crap. Load the truck this way. Oh, okay, I get it. Stupid truck. There we go. Leave the truck. I have to leave the truck. Okay, I'm leaving. Go. Bye bye. Bye bye. Next level. What? Orange button. Right there. Orange button. How do I get the orange button? Come here, stupid fox. Gotcha. Okay, now I jump it. Here I guess. Go. Go. That engine. This is so slow. So slow. If I can down. Quality of this game. Magnifying flip. Okay, here we go. Up. Up. Oh, I guess I don't have to. Let's do it. Let's do it. Crap, I don't quite fit. There we go. With the truck. Let's go. Bye bye. Next up. Catacombs. What does catacombs mean? Up 11. Skip. Oh crap, I'm gonna die. W to jump. W to jump, but I don't need to jump up that. Upside down. I'm upside down. There we go. So can I reach that if I jump? Oh crap. This thing is all terrain, even on walls. Jump, jump. I'm jumping. There's no way this thing. Oh, wait, not even this thing. Okay, jump. Jump. God, freaking. Oh my god. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. There we go. I can do this. Yeah, I can double jump. I can double jump. I'm tapping like man on the spacebar. Stupid arm. Please, let me just. No. Oh crap! Wait, no. Fuck. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay. Why do I keep turning? Kind of hurt. Ah, come on! I'm stuck. Can I like magnetize myself up there? Seriously? Okay. Up! Come on! Jump! Oh, come on. Ah! Guys, I seem to be stuck. I guess this is it for now for Random Games anyway. See you guys later. Oh! Well, that's a spirit breaker. See you guys again. Oh, later. Wow. I'm sorry. See you guys later. Whoop whoop whoop.
Stop.